Have you ever wondered why financial problems seem to appear out of nowhere? The truth is, the signs are often there well before the crisis hits. In today's video, we'll unveil 15 early warnings that could indicate looming financial issues. By recognizing these signs, you can adjust your habits and strategies proactively to ensure your financial stability. Let's dive in and learn how to spot these signals before it's too late. Hit subscribe so you're always in the loop, and let's get started. Number 1. The empty wallet wake-up call. The first time you run out of money before payday is a critical alert. It's a common experience, but a significant indicator that your financial planning needs adjustment. Instead of seeing this as a minor hiccup, recognize it as a wake-up call to review and realign your budgeting and spending habits. It's essential to maintain a buffer in your account to prevent this situation from recurring. Number 2. The price of pleasure. Frequent overspending on entertainment and social activities is a joyful but potentially destructive behavior. If you find yourself regularly overspending to keep up with your social circle, it's time to reconsider your priorities. This habit can lead to significant financial strain, suggesting a need to balance social enjoyment with financial responsibility. Number 3. Emergency unpreparedness. A major unexpected expense, such as a medical bill or car repair, can destabilize your financial situation if you're not prepared. This highlights the importance of an emergency fund. If such expenses cause panic, it indicates your financial health might be more fragile than you think. Number 4. Single income dependency. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in an unstable economy. Diversifying your income streams can provide security and reduce stress. This sign warns against the complacency of a single income and encourages seeking additional or alternative income sources. Number 5. The debt trap. Borrowing money and failing to return it, even small amounts, can start a harmful cycle. This behavior not only strains personal relationships, but also indicates poor financial management. It's crucial to address this habit promptly to avoid its escalation into larger debts. Number 6. Living on borrowed money. Using loans to cover daily expenses is a clear sign of living beyond your means. This practice can quickly lead to a debt spiral, making it increasingly difficult to manage finances without external help. Recognizing and stopping this cycle early is essential to restoring financial health. Number 7. Savings dilemma. Regularly transferring money from savings for everyday expenses indicates a lack of financial discipline. This habit effectively erodes your financial safety net, making it harder to handle future financial challenges. It's important to treat savings as a last resort. Number 8. Stubborn debt. Having long-standing debt that doesn't seem to decrease can feel like running on a treadmill. This situation often results from only making minimum payments, which primarily cover interest rather than principal. Addressing this requires a more aggressive repayment strategy to make tangible progress. Number 9. Trend chasing. Frequently spending on the latest trends can drain finances quickly, as it often leads to impulsive buying and unnecessary expenditures. This pattern emphasizes the need for mindful spending, focusing on long-term financial health over short-term gratification. Number 10. Untracked expenditures. Not knowing where your money goes each month is like driving with a blindfold. Regularly reviewing and categorizing your expenditures can provide crucial insights into potential savings and areas needing budget adjustments. Number 11. Account avoidance. Ignoring bank statements and account balances is a common avoidance tactic among those fearing bad news. This head-in-the-sand approach can lead to overdrafts and missed opportunities for correcting course before issues become severe. Number 12. Bill payment negligence. Forgetting to pay bills, even when funds are available, suggests disorganized financial management. Setting up automated payments or reminders can help ensure that bills are paid on time, avoiding late fees and service interruptions. Number 13. Windfall wishing. Relying on hoped-for windfalls to solve financial problems is risky and unrealistic. A sound financial plan should be based on steady, reliable income rather than the uncertain prospect of sudden gains. Number 14. Budget inconsistency. Creating a budget is the first step. Sticking to it is where many falter. A budget should be a dynamic tool that adapts to changing financial circumstances, ensuring it remains relevant and effective in managing your money. Number 15. Impulse buying. The thrill of a purchase can quickly lead to regret if it's not part of a planned spending strategy. Recognizing the triggers of impulse buying and setting rules for discretionary spending can help maintain financial discipline. Ignoring these signs can lead to a precarious financial future. By recognizing and addressing these behaviors early, you can set a course for long-term financial stability and avoid the stress that comes with financial turmoil. If you're looking for more insights and strategies to manage your finances effectively, keep watching our series for expert advice and practical tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.